When it's time to do a lane change, follow these steps. Check your inside rearview mirror to look for an opening in the traffic in the next lane. Once you see an opening, signal your intentions to allow the other drivers to know your plans. Next, make a quick glance in your outside rearview mirror and then over your shoulder into your blind spot. There is an area beside our vehicle where the mirrors do not show. That's why we need to make a quick glance over our shoulder before changing lanes. If you find that your vehicle begins to drift slightly towards the next lane before completing your blind spot check, make a slight change in the steps as follows. After you signal, have a quick glance in your outside mirror, then look ahead. After looking ahead, make a quick glance over your shoulder into your blind spot. Once you're positive that it's clear, look well ahead into your new lane and drift your vehicle into that lane. You may be required to adjust your speed slightly to match the traffic in that lane. Remember, vehicles already in that lane should be given the right-of-way ahead of you. Once you've completed the lane change, cancel your signal and check your inside rearview mirror again. Anytime you need to change multiple lanes on the same road, do one lane change at a time. Now remember to use these techniques for all lanes, including going into a center turning lane, a bicycle lane, or another lane where there could be another vehicle or cyclist before you.